And that's how you earn to view ads. All you have to do is just go to www. What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm going to share with you a brand new website on how you can earn money by simply viewing ads. I'm going to share all the details you need to know, how to get the most out of it, how to make the most out of this website, and we're also going to announce the winner of the previous giveaway I had on my previous video. So to find out all the details, all you have to do is stay with me. But first, if you're new around, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I upload videos on a consistent basis about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship, and much more. And make sure you also hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright guys, so as I said, I'm gonna share with you here a brand new website on how you can earn money by simply viewing ads. Now first, a disclaimer: results are not typical. Use this information at your own risk, but if you skip out any part of this video, you might not get any results at all. So make sure you stick till the end, watch everything here so you don't miss out on any important information. Make sure you subscribe to my other YouTube channel also, which is my IM Tips. It is related to internet marketing, make money online, and a lot more. You're going to find a link at the top and in the description below, of course. And if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a real long-term sustainable online business, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below that I highly suggest you to have a closer look at when we finish this video, of course. Now, before we proceed, we're going to have a look at the winner. I had a giveaway announcement in my last video, so let's have a look at it right away. This was the video here on how you can make $141.75. If you missed this video, it is recommended to watch it as well. So I'm going to grab a link of that video here, and we are going to see who's going to be the winner of Daily List Profits, which is my own course on how you can get started to make your $100 a day here. So let's go to the comment picker. Let's insert the link here and get the YouTube comments. And let's go ahead and get started to see who the winner is today here. Alright, Rangberg Genie, congratulations. All you have to do is contact me and I will give you access right away to Daily List Profits, as I said. Make sure you follow along and watch the whole video here so you don't miss out if I have another giveaway here maybe later on. So without further ado, let's go ahead and have a look at in today's video on how we can earn money by simply viewing ads. Let's go. Alright guys, so the site that I'm going to have a look at in today's video here, which is pretty new actually, is Challengebox.com. Challengebox.com, and you can see here it clearly says that you are going to get paid to view ads. As a member, you will get paid for each click that you generate by browsing our sponsors' ads. And you can see here that every day advertisements will reset after 24 hours. They do have paid offers, complete our offers and earn easy points. And of course there is a referral program, rewards for certain actions of your referrals. No need to invest in order to withdraw the funds. And if you have a look at some benefits here, we are actually going to have a look at the members area real soon, so bear with me. But first I want to show you here the benefits, of course. Now it says that we can earn up to 0.04 per click here, and you can actually refer people and earn 0.02. We have an advanced referral activity filter, fast payments and receiving system, and multiple payment option. So it's definitely not something that are going to make us rich, but it's a great way to make some extra money while we build our real long-term online business, of course. Now, if I scroll down, there is actually some benefits as an advertiser as well. So this could be something that interests you, so you can have a look at it also. And here they tell about themselves a little bit, but let's go to the top here and register. So I'm going to open this in a new tab here, and all you have to do is just create a username, fill in your email and password. So I'm going to do that straight away here. And there you go, here I am, I have logged in, I used an email, my password and everything, and let's have a look at the left side here. You can see it is a well organized area. It says here the pages. We can go to the home page if you want to. Let's go back here. Now we can have a look at the withdraw. There is two options actually. There is pay year and perfect money here to withdraw the money. There is actually upgrade levels as well. So what you can do is you can earn more by simply upgrading. So you don't have to withdraw in the beginning if you want to, but you can actually go ahead and upgrade, which means that you will earn more money, of course, also. Here is the exchanger, is a one-way exchange of funds from your balance for withdrawal to your balance for purchases. So you can do that also if you want to. And here is probably the section that we are interested in by viewing ads. So you can see here that there is view advertisements. So if I just open up here, Golden Clicks PTC since 2013, let's have a look at what this is here. Now I have to sit here and view the ads for probably 30 seconds here. So I have to wait here, and I probably going to pause the video here. Alright, so now 30 seconds has passed and 3 plus 5 will make 8. So I have to insert the right answer and boom, there you go. Okay, so now if I go back here and I'm going to do a refresh, you can see here that in my balance I have some money added in there. So that is how simple and easy this works, okay? And I can proceed here. Look at this, watch time 15 seconds. I saw it right now, I missed it earlier here. So if I just go in here, Challengebox vote, and I'll have to be here for 15 seconds. So I have to wait again. All right, 1 plus 5 equals 6. So if I have to insert it, and there you go. All right, so if I go back here again to my members area and I hit the refresh button, look at this, did you see that? It's changed. So that is how easy you can make money right here. If I scroll down a little bit, we have the advertising panel for those of you that are interested in advertising. Here are some daily bonuses so you can earn actually much more. There is the banner section. And here is the referrals. Now, since I don't have any referrals here, of course, you can grab your link. You can see here if I go to my account, if I scroll down below here is the description of the affiliate program, referral rewards. So if I open it up, you can see it says invite your friends and acquaintances per referral, click 10% of click value and you get 5% from recharge. All right. Rewards are paid for your balance for withdrawal, and here is your referral link. So you can use this link. You can actually insert it in Bitly, for example, a link shortener, and use that as well. And what I would do actually to get a lot of referrals here, okay, because here you can earn money on autopilot, is I'm going to show you here real soon this strategy. So I don't think I will actually go ahead and show you anything else here. It is so easy, simple, and straightforward to make money with Challengebox here. Now what I would do, as I said, I would focus on this one here, the referral section. So what I would do is I would go to Facebook, I would type make money online, and I would start to go in large groups like this one who has 96,000 for example, or look at this, earn extra income online. This is a perfect group actually to go inside here. You can see 221,000 members as I'm recording this video right now, and a lot of people here. You can see that they are advertising here, and that is exactly what you're going to do. So you have to be creative a little bit. You can just type something, who else wants to make extra income by simply viewing ads, and click here or PM me actually. Instead of sending them straight to the site, it is better to actually tell them to drop extra income or view ads, for example, in the comment section below, and then you're going to have to private message them, because there they will be more active actually and show interest and register to view ads. So there you have it, challengebox.com. As I said, really super easy, straightforward, very easy to get started, and there is actually no minimum withdrawal here, so you can withdraw real quick. So if I go back to the main site and have a look at the statistics, you can see here that people are actually withdrawing as little as 11 cents, for example, 10 cents. So that is actually another big plus with Challengebox as well. All right, there you have it, challengebox.com. Make sure you get started there as soon as possible to earn some extra money to view ads. Now, as I said earlier, it is not something that will make you rich. If you are interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a real long-term sustainable online business, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below that I highly suggest you to have a closer look at when we finished here. If you got some value here, make sure to smash that like button below. Make sure you subscribe to both my YouTube channels that you're going to see at the end screen here. Hit that notification bell also to be notified every time I upload a new video. And make sure you watch another Make Money Online video recommendation I have at my end screen here as well. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.